Had to come back and do another one today. I actually kind of like the little video thing. It works out alright. I know it has a little lag in it, and I apologize for that, but maybe it'll keep the intelligence that isn't human off my back from, what do you call them, rhythms that are alga, if you will. Rhythms that are alga? So, check this out, folks. Here I am on today's date. Remember how we had that pop at 1500 and we couldn't find it? Guess what? They show it over on Seeds. Little backup that a lot of people don't think about, but there's something I want everybody to pay attention to, okay? Please, please watch this. Watch right over here. Follow my cursor. Watch right here. You're going to see two proton torpedoes or photon torpedoes coming in, one right behind another one. Watch this. There's one there, and a black one right behind it. Look at. What in the heck was that? I love it. I really do. It's so much fun. It's like, oh my gosh. They try to hide so much. It's like, it's insane. Now here we go. 1516. Right here, you can see here and here. That's when the pop is. And it's a pretty decent one. Now, one of the things I want everybody to look at this round object right here. What is that? It's like, I'm not sure if it's this one or this one. It looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them right there. Almost. Whoa. What is that? This is getting really interesting. There's a lot of them that are there. But look here. This is right at midnight. Look at that. That is a perfectly round object that's there. Look, it appears here too. Perfectly round. Perfectly round. Next frame, still there. Still there. Oh man, that looks really good. You can see it really nice. It's like, and if you notice, it's almost like there's one here and here. Because if you notice, the jet stream comes out and then it's hitting something and having to go around it. It's getting really interesting, ladies and gentlemen. Brothers and sisters, boys and girls, there's a lot of stuff going on up at our sun right now. Let's go to the previous day and take a peek. Oh, bloody hell, stop it. Oh, got this bloody wonder. Sorry. I actually had a friend who was Australian, and he would crack me up. He'd got this bloody wonder, and if he wanted to make the girls laugh, he'd say, "I got a wombat on my ding ding," and of course that's a wombat is a little creature out in Australia. It's almost like a koala bear kind of. And he said a ding ding is what they called a tree, is a type of tree. I'm like, okay, buddy. But this is that one that we just saw a little bit ago that was like right here. This is from right before it. So let's kind of bring it in a little bit and see if we can. Look at that right there. Look at that. So it's coming off and it's having to force around it. It almost looks like an eye, like the center of an eye. And its eyebrow, it's forcing around. I mean, imagine having a ping pong ball and smoke. It would have to go around it just like that. And because it's obviously not going to go in two-dimensional and just kind of split like this, it's going to be going all the way around it. So that's why we're not able to see it very good over here on this one, because it's engulfing it like this. So that's very interesting. Yeah. Oh, how are you doing, sweetheart? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Are you guys seeing it, folks? Can you smell what I'm stepping in? Yes, this is just fantabulous. It's beautimous. Alright, now one of the other things I wanted to show everybody real quick was over here. This is windy.com. There's a lot of stuff going on over here. First thing I want to do is, okay, come on, over here. Thank you. Look at all of this activity we got going on over here. Okay? Cyclones, hurricanes, whatever you want to call it. It's all coming this way. If you're over in England, Scotland, you better make sure that your knickers are clean. Because, yeah, you guys are about to get hammered with some stuff over there. But I do take a look at this on occasion, and there's something that I found out to be very, very odd. Yes, this is all kind of interesting, and it's all going to come over here, but, folks, come over here for just a minute. Look right here. Look over and right into this point right here. And it stops. Look at all this. It comes in, around, and boom, right to this point here again, and it stops. What in the world could draw all this energy and wind and everything up like this? I mean, it's literally coming up like this, and then boom, it's being sucked into this point right here and stopping. Are you guys seeing that, or am I just seeing stuff? Pretty sure I'm seeing what I'm seeing. My eyes ain't lying to me. But let's see if we can. Oh, geez, here we go. Zoom in. I had to hit pause and then zoom in because it reacts better, I guess. But if you look at this, it's literally going up and then down into it from up top. Okay, my thing just told me that my microphone stopped working. That's weird. But anyways, if you watch the wind up here, you can see it actually looks like it's going up and then almost down right here into this triangle. Do you see this triangle right here? Do you see this? What in the world is that? That is nutty. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit closer here. And of course I've got major lag going on right here. It's not wanting to cooperate at all. Give me just a second. So after zooming in a little bit better, look at where it's going to. You can see the triangle, but look at right here at the thumb right there. Look at that. It's all going right there. What is that there? Very center of it, it is one knot. Right where that spot is. Look at that. But yet when you take it up, oh come on. We're getting up into 40 plus. Yeah, she's lagging. 42, 43. That's some crazy stuff right there. Almost like 0 point energy. Or the center or eye of a hurricane. But I mean, look at how 9 p.m. On the 11th. It's looking like one of our lows, if you will. These storms are going to be hitting right over here into England and Scotland. Here at windy.com. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh, she's catching up. Yeah. Take cover if you're in England. Sarah, watch out. And, right up in here, I don't know if this is going to come down this way. Let's kind of advance it a little bit and see what happens here. Come on, catch up. There we go. Okay, it looks like it gets up off of you. So it looks like all my friends over here in Washington, for the most part, the continental United. But I mean, look at the size of these things, folks. Now, everybody sees these and we're like, oh my gosh, these are big, right? These are massive. Yeah, let me show you. Let's actually just go back to. So here in the United States, we see the size of this, and we would think, holy cow, that's big. I mean, because it's the size of the entire Gulf of Mexico. That would be. However. Goodness gracious, come on. We actually come down here, down by the South Pole. Look at the size of these things. Look what's going on down here. I don't know anybody that is. I mean, look at the size of this monstrosity. Do you know what I mean? This doesn't get covered. This doesn't get covered in the news. I'm not gonna lie, this one is massive. That's a monstrosity of a flippin' beast right there. So, Yeah, it's definitely something that we should be paying attention to. This thing's really gonna drive me nuts. Something I noticed, I changed over here to actual satellite, and look at these clouds. I mean, that looks like the letter A. I mean, these are just straight lines. I mean, look at this. Then angles up here and then over here. I've never seen clouds do that before. Have you guys? I mean, here's just one straight cloud right there. What in the world is that? Just on a hunch, I came over here to seeds. It's stereo ahead. Keep your eye over here. Now, here we know, at least we're told that it's Mercury. But do you see this right here? This gray box? They have it grayed out. Why would it matter if we see Mercury on this or not? Why do they have it grayed out? But watch. Ooh, wait a second. Next. Thank you, next. Alright. Are you guys seeing? Watch this right here. Look at that. Perfectly round. And right here is supposedly Mercury. But if you watch this fella right here, as we go forward, you'll actually see him light up over here. You'll see it light up. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to save this picture here and see if I can't clear it up a little bit. Oh, come on. Let me show you how odd this is. Do you see this little dot right here? It's gray on this side and then it's black on this side. Watch when I hit the next button. You'll see it moving. You see it moving? Look right here. He's right there. There it is right there. Watch. See it moving? It's moving like it's supposed to. It is moving just like it's supposed to. Oh, look at that. There it is. Bink. How you doing, fella? From here to here. But this, they've got it grayed out. Why? Why do they have that grayed out? That doesn't make any sense to me, folks. Why would they gray that out? And then look at this. There's something else that's lit up over here too. I don't understand what's going on at all. Do you guys? Yeah, and what's this here too? And this here. There's something going on. I'm wondering if our sun is giving birth. Do you know what I mean? Like maybe it's some kind of like a portal or what do you call it? A wormhole. Look at that. There's something right there. Yeah, there's some weird stuff going on. But stay safe, folks. Please go and check some of this stuff out yourself so you can kind of see what's going on in your area. There's ways of moving the calendar so that way you can see what's coming to you and what's not, and when it's approximately when it's going to hit you in your location. So stay safe, alright? Love you guys. And if you guys have any suggestions, that would be great. Please like, subscribe, and share my stuff on social media. Let people know about stuff. You know, I mean, how else are we going to spread the word? I'm not one who has a lot of, I don't have Facebook, I don't have TikTok, I don't have any of that stuff. And there's reasons for it. If you could, please, I'd appreciate it. Like and subscribe and share it. Thanks. Love ya.